I'm going to assume now that you have Meteor installed, and we're going to start downloading some Meteor packages, and I'll show you how to do that. First, what I want you to do is just find that Pokemap folder and go ahead and just go in it. Make sure that you're located in that area. And in your terminal or command prompt, you're going to want to change your directory to that location. So I'm going to cd desktop, cd into, I believe it's course videos, and then cd into Pokemap. And now that I'm inside, I can just write ls, and there's nothing in here, so I'm going to get nothing coming back printed out on screen. That ls command, just remember, is telling me what files are inside of this folder that I'm in. So what I'm going to want to do is create the Meteor file. So we're going to have like one file, one folder for our Meteor packages and like all of our server code, and then another one for React Native, and we're going to get these installed right now. So now that I'm inside this folder, I can say Meteor create, and we'll call this Poke server, and just go ahead and hit enter. And what this is going to do, you can even see it's starting to change right now. This is running out to the Meteor packages and selecting them, getting them, downloading them, and it's going to install them. We can see the folder actually appeared right here inside of our Pokemap. While this is installing, I'll just kind of give a brief synopsis of what it's going and downloading right now. So inside of this folder, we have a client and a server folder, which basically holds all of our client-side code. So if we wanted to build a website with this is where that code would go, and then all of our server code, this is where the server Node.js code is going to be put and run. Now, because we're not going to be developing a website, we don't really need the client. I'll show you how to just delete this out basically in the next couple of videos, but we're not going to be like building a website. If you wanted to build a website, that's perfectly fine. For another project, you could build a website and then have the server just kind of packaged in with the same framework, and then also have a React Native app. But since we're using a React Native app and not a client website, we don't really need this folder. We're just focused on the server for this particular app. So now if I hit ls, I can see that I have my server package inside of, Meteor package inside of this folder. What we're going to want to do now is go to our Expo XDE, and I'm actually working on my app called Veer. It's actually on the App Store if you wanted to get it. I'm going to bounce out of that right now, close the project. So once you have your Expo XDE open, go ahead and just go make a new project, and you're going to want to find your Pokemap folder. So I just opened that, and we can see the Poke servers right next to it, so we're in the right place, and this project is going to be called Pokemap. So we got the Pokemap and the Poke server. Pokemap's going to be the React Native stuff. Poke server will be where we put the Node.js Meteor code that we want. So just go ahead and hit create there. Obviously, this is the third app we're creating with our Expo XDE, so this is just running out and collecting all of the packages for React Native. And if we look at our folder here inside of Pokemap, we can see that it's getting all that stuff in there for us right now, getting it installed. So we have two folders in here. First one's Pokemap, second one's Poke server. This is where we're gonna be doing all of our code for the next few videos. So just make sure you keep this folder open on tab, because we're going to need to be able to switch between these two quite often. So see you in the next few videos.